Welcome to the Exercise Science, Wellness, and Restoration program at San Angelo ISD, where students explore the science behind movement, health, and recovery. This program is designed for those who want to make a difference in the lives of others by promoting physical and emotional wellness. Starting in 9th grade with Principles of Health Science, students progress through coursework in medical terminology, kinesiology, health theory, and hands-on practicum experience. Along the way, they learn about body mechanics, muscle function, nutrition, injury prevention, and rehabilitation strategies. All key functions for careers in health and fitness.
The Health Science Program of Study is to help students be educated to be healthy not only physically, but mentally and emotionally. It helps them learn good habits, their exercise routine, and their eating habits as well.
In Kinesiology 1, students are introduced to the structure and movement of the human body and begin to understand the mental and physical demands of sports and exercise. In Kinesiology 2, they dive deeper into biomechanics, therapeutic techniques, aerobic training, and nutrition, developing real-world skills in injury recovery, program design, and sports psychology.
The goal is for them to get their personal trainer certification by the time they graduate, and in the practicum class, they'll be able to go out into the community and help provide that to others as well.
Throughout the program, students work together to build custom wellness and fitness plans, combining academic learning with real-life application. Whether planning aerobic fitness routines or understanding rehabilitation services, students are prepared for the next step in their health science journey. By graduation, students will be ready to sit for industry certifications, such as Certified Personal Trainer, giving them a head start toward careers in kinesiology, fitness, physical therapy, or sports medicine. The Exercise Science, Wellness, and Restoration program at SAISD is where future trainers, therapists, and health leaders begin their journey. Through science, movement, and care, these students are preparing to keep their communities healthy and strong.